Hello, everyone. My name is Amira, and today, I want to talk about something very close to my heart, food. But for me, food is more than just something we eat. It's about tradition, family, and the memories we create around the table. I live in Fes, Morocco, a city known for its rich history and vibrant flavors. Growing up here, food was always a big part of my life. My mother and grandmother taught me how to cook from a young age, and now, as a mother myself, I try to pass down those traditions to my children. One of the things I love most about Moroccan cuisine is the way it brings people together. Take couscous, for example. It's not just a meal, it's a tradition. Every Friday, families across Morocco gather to share a big plate of couscous, usually with vegetables and slow-cooked meat. It's a time to talk, laugh, and reconnect. Even in our busy lives, this tradition reminds us to slow down and enjoy each other's company. Another dish that holds a special place in my heart is tagine. If you've never tried it, it's a slow-cooked stew made in a clay pot, and it can be prepared in so many ways: chicken with preserved lemons, lamb with prunes, or even vegetarian versions. The aroma of spices like cumin, cinnamon, and saffron fills the house while it cooks, and it's just pure comfort food. Cooking is also an important part of how I raise my children. I want them to appreciate food, not just for its taste, but for its meaning. Every evening, we spend time together in the kitchen. Sometimes, it's something simple, like baking bread or making a fresh salad. Other times, I teach them the recipes passed down in our family. It's our special time together, and it's also a great way to teach them about patience and creativity. But as much as I love traditional food, I also enjoy trying new things. Since I started learning English, I've been introduced to so many different cuisines. I've tried making Italian pasta, French pastries, and even a few Asian dishes. It's fascinating to see how different cultures use spices and ingredients in unique ways. My husband and I also love to go out and try international restaurants in Fes when we get the chance. One of the best parts about food is how it connects people. I teach English part-time, and sometimes, I like to incorporate food into my lessons. I ask my students to describe their favorite dish or explain how to cook something from their culture. It's amazing how much we can learn about each other just by talking about food. If there's one thing I've learned, it's that food is a universal language. Whether it's a warm bowl of harira soup during Ramadan, a slice of cake at a birthday party, or a cup of mint tea shared with friends, food has the power to bring people together. One of my dreams is to travel and experience food from around the world. I would love to visit a traditional bakery in France, taste real sushi in Japan, or try homemade pasta in Italy. But no matter where I go, I know that the flavors of home will always be my favorite. So, what's a special dish from your culture? Do you have a favorite food memory? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy cooking, happy eating, and most importantly, happy moments with the ones you love. See you soon.